The warm weather hits, you need some dusting powder, some nice body dusting powder to absorb all of that sweatiness that you're experiencing. And it's so simple to make. All you need are these simple ingredients. Put it together. It's fragrant. It's great. You'll use it daily. You can make it often. So come along with me. Let me show you how easy it is to make a natural DIY dusting powder that smells delightful. I'm Cecily from Cecily on Point. Let's get this going. You make this natural dusting powder with simple ingredients that you probably have right in your kitchen, starting with some baking soda, some cornstarch. Cornstarch is actually made from corn. Then you want some essential oils. I like to use lavender because it really smells great, but you might like lemongrass or rose or whatever your favorite fragrance is. And because I'm using lavender, I also have some lavender seeds that I'm going to mix in there with it. And then you need a box. Either I happen to have this nice box that I'll use, or you might have a round covered box. Those are the items that you're going to need. Of course, a strainer, a bowl, and then we'll put this all together. This also is an important part that you want to have. One of these little sink strainers. You want to get one that fits into the container that you're going to use. This one fits along the side here. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tape it so it stays in place. But this is really important so that your dusting powder doesn't go all over the place. So the first thing you want to do is take your essential oil and put a few drops on 2 cotton squares. Cotton balls, cotton squares. I'm just going to put a few drops on here. And I'm going to put that at the bottom of my container so that it will really keep that fragrance intact. Smells great already. I'll cover that and we'll set that aside until we... So as I mentioned, we're using cornstarch and baking soda. Both of these are great for absorbing moisture in a natural way, where they're not going to have a lot of extra ingredients that might not be good for your skin. You don't have to worry about using cornstarch and baking soda, 2 of the best. So now you want to get a bowl that's got a strainer in it, and we're going to first do the cornstarch. We're doing the majority of cornstarch. Got about a half a cup here of the cornstarch. And I'm going to put the quantities in the caption. Then I've got my baking soda. And you can see they both, their consistency is ever so slightly different. So you just want to blend it around in your strainer so that you can get it completely incorporated. And as you can see, as I'm shaking it, it's really coming out in a beautiful, nice, fine powder form. Takes all of those clumps out. You see, look at that. Really nice powder. Now I'm going to sprinkle my seeds in here. And I'm just going to mix this all together. So the seeds have nice fragrance. These are dried lavender seeds. And I've got all of that in my powder. So now I'm taking my jar, my covered jar that's got the lavender cotton rounds down at the bottom. And I'm going to take my strainer, my sink strainer, and I'm going to lay it on top. And I want to tape it so that it will stay in place. So I'm just going to use some transparent tape to put along the side here so that I don't have to worry about that moving. And as you can see, the powder is down there. You can move this around a little bit, just to get all that powder down there. And as you can see, some of the seeds are going through. And any extras that we have left over, we'll just spoon out. Let me put a little bit more of this powder in. And this is really something that you can make so frequently, so you don't have to make a lot. I definitely recommend making small quantities, and then when you need more, make more, make more. Spin this around, and as you can see, it's going down. And I've kind of ground my seeds down in there, and now these excess seeds. I'm going to take those out. I don't need those now. Need those now. You can see that a good amount of them did get down into your dusting powder. So you've got the seeds down there. Pull it a little closer for you to see. The seeds are down there. And look at that nice powder. I'll show you the best way to use your dusting powder, and this is why this screen really works well. You just want to give it a little shake, and you'll see that it goes right into the well there. So now you can just put your brush right inside the well, and now it comes up with the powder on it. You can knock off the excess and then just apply it very lightly onto your chest area, onto your neck, behind your ears, wherever you feel that you just need some moisture absorbed. And it smells delightful. Really, really smells good. And it just immediately makes you feel cool because it's satiny, it's lovely, and it smells great. So easy to make. I'm going to have all of the measurements in the caption so that you can pull this together and use any aroma that suits you. Lavender, believe me, is lovely because you're able to have the seeds in here as well. So you got to try this. So make sure that you like, subscribe, come back and see me again, because I'm always either cooking something easy or making something great to make your life a little easier and just better. So I hope to see you back really soon. And in the meantime, I am just going to be dusting myself to keep myself cool. So I will see you soon. Like and subscribe. Take care. So let me show you how to use your wonderful dusting powder. What's great about, that's why this screen is so great, because you give it a shake and now it's moved it into the well. So you can just put your brush down in there, covers it, and you just shake off the excess. And now you can lightly powder yourself on your neck, your chest, behind your ears. It smells delightful and feels so satiny. The cornstarch has really just got a lovely, luxurious feel to it, and you don't have to worry about it having any excess chemicals in it. This is all safe, all natural, and a wonderful way to just naturally cool down and smell good at the same time. Everything will be in the caption, all of the measurements, so that you can make this. I highly recommend using lavender as your aroma, but you can change it to rose, you can do lemongrass. There are various aromas that you can use, but lavender is really great. So I hope you like this. Be sure to come back and see me again, because I'm always doing something that's a little bit more natural, a little safer for you to use, that you can put together easily. Again, I'm Cecily from Cecily on Point, in case you didn't know that. So make sure that you like, subscribe, and come back, either for DIY, cooking, or something else that I may be doing. But right now, I am just going to continue keeping myself cool by dusting with my wonderful dusting powder. Hope you make it, and I will see you soon.